Hello everyone, myself Bhakti. I'm the founder of ISAS International Beauty School. As you see, we already have our presence in 4 different countries. So this is our 4th country, Nepal. The reason for ISAS to be here is we've been in this industry for almost 21 years now. But whatever students we've got so far, whether it is in our Dubai center or in our India center, I have always seen Nepali students coming there all the way and taking admissions, doing different type of courses and getting very well settled there. So what made us think was why not?
Can we switch up the AC first? Sorry to disturb. I'm really sorry.
So again,
So,
Okay.
from the start.
From this time.
is this good?
Yeah, it's very.
Okay. Because I don't
With
want to do
introduction.
retake. I just want to finish it in
It's
one
fine.
go.
Please
Fine.
continue. From this time.
Hello everybody, myself Bhakti Sapke. I'm the founder of ISAS School. We are present in 4 countries. This is my 4th country now in Nepal. The reason we are here today in Nepal, Kathmandu, where I have my 3 lovely partners who have taken up the onus of having an ISAS franchise here. And the reason for us to be here is because in whichever centers we've had so far with so many different international centers, we've always had our Nepali students coming and telling us that why don't we have one center in Nepal? We had some Reiki that we did and we saw that we do not have some international certifications or qualifications that is being offered in Nepal. And ISAS is in the market for past 15 years where we have world's most prestigious qualifications that help students to get those jobs, whether it is a national market or an international market. And the kind of certifications that we have are from US, from UK and from Switzerland. The CIDESCO, being one of the most prestigious qualifications in the world since 1946, is recognized in more than 120 countries. This has been our past experience that whenever students these courses, whether it is beauty therapy, whether it is spa therapy, even the salon and spa management, the media makeup, the kind of variety of courses that they have and the ranges that they have has always helped students to excel in the market, have edge over the other students, because whenever they go for their interview rounds or they go for their jobs, they are always set apart. The reason being their knowledge, the theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge has been an excellent. So I feel Nepal is one step forward when it comes to style, when it comes to discipline, when it comes to fashion, when it comes to education. I have always seen Nepali kids always excelling. So I have some personal connect also with Nepal, being we are neighbors from India. I'm an Indian, but this is my home, is what I feel. Every time I've come here, I've felt like home. And every students that we've met here have bestowed a lot of trust on us. And before our launch, today is our launch, and we've already done with 25 admissions. So this love and affection that we've got from Nepal comes to us that we're going to deliver best of the qualifications, best of the knowledge, and best of education to our all kids who are going to come and take some qualifications in beauty industry, which will not only help them to elevate their own, you can say, professional skills, but also make them role models for somebody else. Maybe they can be some entrepreneurs, some freelancers, or people who want to work abroad or set up something of their own. This is going to be a benchmark. And ISAS Kathmandu, I can see ISAS Nepal, is going to be one hub for all those students who are wanting to come and take education here. I welcome all of you. I would urge everybody, come have a look at the center that we have. This is the first ever center which has come to Nepal with all these international qualifications and the qualifications that you've been looking for a while. So I welcome all of you, and I have a sincere request, come have a look. Take a look at the beautiful center that all my Nepali friends have built up here, and I have an amazing team. And all my students are launch. I'm so happy, and I wish them all the very best. You have our support, and we are always going to be there for you. I love Nepal. Thank you so much for having us here.
Yes, thank you so much.
Ajay sir.